Welcome to Hachion, your trusted partner in IT training and career advancement. We are thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey to equip you with in demand skills and open doors to exciting opportunities in the IT industry. At Hachion, we specialize in delivering top quality IT training tailored to industry demands. With thousands of students trained globally, we have become a trusted name in skills development. Our mission is to help you achieve your career goals through cutting edge training and mentorship. Our QA training program is designed to make you a proficient quality assurance professional. The course covers essential topics like manual testing fundamental, automation framework, and mastering tools such as Selenium, Jira, LoadRunner, and many more. By the end of this course, you will be ready to take on real world QA challenges. Why choose Hachion? We offer live interactive sessions with industry experts. Our courses are packed with hands on projects and real time use cases. Enjoy personalized mentorship and resume building assistance. When you train with us, you are not just learning a skill, you are actually building your career. How Hatchin's training program works. First, enroll in our course and get instant access to live sessions. Second, practice your skills through real time projects and assignments. Third, get certified with our expert guidance. And finally, leverage our placement assistance to land your dream job. Job market after completion. The demand for QA professionals is increasing. Upon course completion, you can explore roles like automation tester, QA analyst, or performance engineer. With global companies prioritizing quality assurance, the job market for QA professionals can become brighter. Salary insights and roles. QA professionals enjoy lucrative salaries and rewarding roles. Depending on your experience and expertise, you can earn anywhere between $70,000 to $120,000 annually. Get ready to take your career to new heights with roles like test engineer, QA lead, and automation architect. At Hatchin, your success is our priority. Our QA training program is your gateway to a fulfilling IT career. Join us today and let's build your future together. See you in the class.